is a TikTok slash YouTube made me buy it video, hygiene and body care edition. So these are items that kind of went viral and are super infamous on TikTok and YouTube, and I was influenced to buy them. So I'll tell you whether I like them or whether they were complete duds. Here are some of the products that I ended up buying. The first one, it is the Soft Soap Sugar Cookie Body Wash. This, I heard so many amazing reviews about it. People were raving, but this was kind of before people actually got it. They were like, oh my gosh, it's a new sugar cookie body wash. I know it smells so good. I went to several Walmarts looking for this. It was not there, and finally my sister picked it up for me. Originally I asked her if she could give me two, but she said, oh, there's just one left, so I was like, that's fine. Now, this was slightly disappointing. It's still good, but slightly disappointing because it didn't have that super sugar cookie, sweet, doughy type of Christmassy scent that we were looking for. I'm not sure how many people liked it. Did you like this? Have you tried it? Pretty much, this is a very soft, vanilla type scent. Yeah, sugar cookies smell like vanilla, but this was a little more, you know, we wanted it to be cookie-esque. We wanted that sugar cookie type of scent. But for the price, I think this was maybe like $5, a little less. This is cool, and I'm gonna continue to use it. It does make your skin super soft and smooth. It feels really good on the skin, very moisturizing, but it just doesn't have that boom, boom, pow type of scent. I like it anyway. The next item is Aloe House Choco Musk. Girl, listen, I'm so glad I bought this. This was a blind buy, another blind buy. Clearly I do blind buys when I hear that something is delicious, gourmand smelling. I'm like, yep, I want it, I want it. So this is under $20 off Amazon. You can also get it from Aloe House website. It smells exactly as the name implies. It smells like a chocolatey, musky type of scent. So imagine you're smelling like chocolate, but also it's a deep, sexy chocolate. That's where that musk part comes in. This is definitely on my purchase again list. I would recommend this. If you are into gourmand scents, this is for you. Go ahead, grab it up. This one, this is the glycolic acid 7% toning solution from The Ordinary. This is actually for your feet, or that's what people were using it for. I was like, why have I never thought about this? I think some people were using it for underarms because I know the Pixie Glow Tonic was also a recommendation from TikTok for dark underarms and toning the underarm area, getting that lighter. But this was an excellent idea. I did actually spill some of it. That's why it's so low, because it shouldn't be so low. I use this like once a week for my feet before I put on a foot moisturizer. And guys, I think it's doing a good job. This is glycolic acid, so it's gonna exfoliate your feet. It's not gonna be extremely crazy, so you're not gonna see results in like a day or a week. Also, do not use this every day. You're gonna see results over time as you're using this. I would say use maybe once, twice a week. This is gonna slow off that dead skin on your feet and leave you with soft, beautiful feet. Another item, this. This was all over TikTok, all over YouTube, both. This is the Trader Joe's Brazil Nut Body Scrub. Girl, listen, listen, listen. I didn't get to get the body butter, but this scrub was bomb. And I don't know why I only bought one. I only have like a little bit left in here, like one more use. But since this is limited edition, I won't be able to get it again until next summer. But girl, listen, listen. So this is a delightfully salted caramel and pistachio scent. This smells like the Boom Boom cream, like gourmand deliciousness, but on a budget. I think this is like $5 or $6. I can't remember, guys. But definitely next summer, pick this up. If it comes back before then, springtime, something like that, pick it up. It's worth it. It smells so good in your shower. It's gonna have your body smelling like just delicious cookie, coconut, salted caramel, pistachio. You're gonna be smelling so good, girl. And it leaves your body so, so soft. Another TikTok, YouTube made me do it, was the La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. Now, I don't know if I got the right one, but this is like, it seems like it's like the #1 inexpensive drugstore facial cleanser to use. You know, I don't really know. I'm trying to see. Okay, I used about, oh wow, that's almost half. I've used almost half of the bottle so far. I'm not really a foaming cleanser sort of girl normally, but I just kept hearing this was amazing, and I needed something that was going to take off all of my makeup. And in reviews, it said that this one was the one that would get all that extra makeup off, and maybe the cream cleanser might not do the trick because it was a little bit more gentle. But you know, I don't know. I think I'm still gonna try that one. But this one, I would definitely say it does cleanse the skin. Now, as far as me really loving it, it's okay. I don't think it completely strips my skin, but my skin is not as moisturized as I would like. And also, using a foaming cleanser every day, I'm kind of like, I'm more of a gel, cream cleanser type of girl, preferably gel. But I don't know, I'm kind of like about this. But for the price, you know, I guess it's fine. But still, I don't know. Also, y'all, this was on TikTok, and I'm just like, what is that gonna do? Because I'm like, Neutrogena on my body, I don't know. The oil, okay, but I'm like, an actual body moisturizer? This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream with hyaluronic acid. Yes, I am pretty much done with this bottle. I'm like way down here somewhere, and I bought an even bigger bottle. I love it. So this is like a water-based type of, almost like a serum. So it's like a watery type of hydrator that you put on pretty much to lock in extra moisture into your skin. It's gonna lock in hydration. It's gonna have you feeling very beautiful, and then you can put on a cream and oil or whatever you'd like afterwards. But this, yes, it works just like a serum. I don't think I will be taking this out of my skincare routine anytime soon. Now, another product you guys are gonna be like, girl, why was petroleum jelly a TikTok or a YouTube made me buy it? Listen, you need it. If you're into fragrances of any kind, body mist, body sprays, perfumes, you need petroleum jelly. So pretty much what you do, you dab a little bit here, you dab a little bit here, you know, on your pulse points, and then you spray on your fragrance. Now what this does, since it is petroleum jelly, it's pretty much, you know, thick. It's gonna lock in whatever goes onto it. So whatever scent you put on, it's gonna lock it in. So that scent is gonna last so long. It's gonna last way longer than if you put it on dry skin or if you put it on just regularly lotioned skin. That petroleum jelly, it's gonna lock it in. You need it. Now this is totally random, but I kept seeing it and kept seeing it. There are different flavors of this. This is the TheraBreath Fresh Breath Oral Rinse. This is the light blue bottle. This is the Invigorating Icy Mint. This is my favorite. I've only tried the darker blue bottle. I think it's like peppermint or something, but I heard that the pink one was also bomb. I need to try that next. But this is my second bottle of this. I absolutely love it. It definitely fights bad breath. It says it fights bad breath for 24 hours, and y'all, it does. If you use this, I feel like it works better than Listerine or anything like that. Better than Crest, Colgate. I don't know, it just eliminates the odor. So when you wake up in the morning, after you've used this at night, morning breath is gonna be barely there or not there at all. That's how good this is. And it doesn't contain alcohol, so it's not gonna burn your mouth. It's not gonna leave your mouth feeling raw or painful. It's not too minty in my opinion. It's not too strong. It's just right. I love it, and this was a great purchase. I'm glad I made it. You know what this is? This is Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 71. So this is the caramelized vanilla and macadamia scent. I love it. So to me, this is my favorite over the 62, but then again, I think I do like the 62 a lot for the summer and springtime. But this is perfect for the cooler months. So guys, this smells kind of like cookies with like a little bit of kind of like burnt caramel. I don't know how to describe it. So I guess imagine macadamia cookies with like some caramel. It smells like an absolute snack. And I have been using it. I didn't expect to get this low in the bottle so quickly. I'm kind of here. It may not seem like a lot because I don't use it every day, but this is definitely something I would get again. I love pairing this with Mary Cookie and Pumpkin Pecan Waffles body cream from Bath & Body Works. Oh, it has me smelling so good. And we have another hygiene related item. This is Tahitian Vanilla Bean Moisturizing Shave Oil from Tree Hut. I I should have picked this up when it first came out, when I was first like, ooh, that looks interesting. I kept hearing about this. People were like, you need this. This works so good. So I wasn't a shave girl, but then I became a shave girl. And I was like, what's the best shaving cream? This, but it's an oil. So this is a shave oil. This feels kind of like a very light gel type of oil on the skin. But when you shave, it gets like the closest shave ever. That shave lasts, so the hair is not gonna be just growing back super fast, and your legs are like silky, silky soft after using this. So it's like putting oil on freshly shaved legs, except when you get out the shower, it's already on there from the shave. So you've shaved and you've moisturized your legs all in one. Such luminous, silky, beautifully touchable legs after using this. This one, highly recommended by me. So let me know down in the comments below, what were you influenced to buy by YouTube and TikTok? What did you absolutely fall in love with? What did you hate? Let me know if there's anything I need to try. I thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked it, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you later in the next video. Bye! Love you!